I've been in the teaching field since the last 22 years. I conduct a lot of math workshops on various events at corporate levels as well as at individual levels. What is this math workshop about? Here we basically target, or we have audience of the age group of 10 to 13 years, which is grade 5 to 8, and we conduct various mathematical tricks with dates. We also do a 2x2, 3x3 multiplication in an easier way which kids can use for verification. Besides that, we do square grids, that is a 3x3 grid, 5x5 grid, all the way up to 25x25 grid in the class, and the kids can solve it in a fraction of a second. So this is the brief about what we are going to do in this workshop. It is an 8-hour workshop split into 4 days of 2 hours each. So kindly join in. Thank you.